And the second thing, you need to load your data. So then we'll use the pandas package to read the data. So the file that I'll be using is in the Excel format. So I'm just going to show you how to load the file in a simpler way. So you can just go to open, and then this is on your C drive under your users. So I've got my folder here. So this is the file that I'm looking for. Just right click on it and copy address, and then come and paste here, and just remove everything in front of that folder name. So if it's not in a folder, so just reference the name itself. So if you are having a CSV file, don't worry about it. It's a similar code. You just change that to CSV, and then just change the file extension to CSV. Voila, and you can just import it. Let me just run this to see the errors. Great, there are no errors.